everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. This video let me teach you how to see backup photos in Google Photos. The easy way for you to see your backup photos is to open the Google Photos app on your device. Next, you'll see here all the photos that you have on your device, and once you see this little cloud with check icon on the photos, it means that the photo is currently back up on your Google Photos. Another way for you to see it is to simply open Chrome app and then search for photos.google.com and log in your Google account. And after that, it will show here all the photos that are backed up in Google Photos. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.